Yes, I'm finally done. The boss is gonna love this new design. I am sure to get a promotion this time.
Bro, this looks amazing. When the boss sees this, you're definitely gonna get a promotion.
I really hope so because I work so hard in this company. I genuinely want to see this place do well.
Okay bro, send it to him and let me know it goes.
Good morning, sir. Did you receive the email with the new design concept?
Young man, what is this? This is utter rubbish.
Sir.
Hello, young man. Why can't you follow instructions? I pay you to follow my orders, to execute what I tell you, not to come up with ideas. You do as I say.
Sir, but...
End of discussion. Thank you.
Chris, give me the good news.
Bro, he hated it.
No bro, that can't be.
He said my work was rubbish.
That was the most creative thing I've seen done here in 10 years.
Bro, right now I'm just so discouraged.
Chris, I believe that you have what it takes to start your own design company.
Bro, you're so right. But I just can't afford to leave right now.
How can one man be so evil?
This is exactly what I wanted. Beautiful work, man. Beautiful work. The client will love this one. With the profits from this, I will finally be able to get that mansion in Cherry Gardens.
Sir, I have always dreamt of having a house in Cherry Gardens.
Chris, tell you what. If you keep on doing this amazing work, I will be able to get another mansion, all for my children.
I thought that you were going to say I would be able to get a house like that.
Excuse me, young man? What gives you the right to think that you're of that caliber?
What?
Cherry Gardens? Young man, come on. You are from the ghetto, the slums. Don't embarrass yourself in front of me, young man. A place like Cherry Gardens is reserved for the men and women of substance, just like me.
One day I will have a house like that and you can't stop me.
Young man, who do you think you are? Don't you dare raise your voice at me, you little worker. Don't let me have to fire you and send you back to suffer in that slum. You better humble yourself before me.
You know what? I quit and I'm done here. You will see one day.
And guess what? When you are suffering in that stinky slum, you will come crawling back here and I will hire you again just to fire you. Get out of my sight. My beautiful client, I hope you like the design I sent you.
This design is nothing fresh. Everyone is sending the same old ideas. This design is outdated. Please give me something new by the end of day, or I will just have to find someone else.
What is going on here? This doesn't look good at all. Jerome, I urgently need your help, young man. The client hates the design. Since Chris has now left us, I need you to prepare a fresh one by the end of today.
Wait a sec. I don't know who you're talking to, but you better give Chris a call.
Hello, young man. Who are you giving an attitude? I will never stoop that low and beg anyone from the slums to do anything for me. Watch your mouth, young man, or I will fire you.
You know what, bossy? I quit. Chris was very depressed. He spent days crying and thinking about what the boss had said. He ended up posting his original design on the web because he believed that it would never go anywhere further. However, Chris was totally wrong. Later that day, the client was browsing the internet and came across Chris's design. She was shocked as it was something that she had never seen before. With some research, she was able to find out who was the person who posted the design. She contacted Chris and paid him $200 million for the design. Chris's life was forever changed. The boss eventually had to file for bankruptcy. He lost his business, his wife left him, and now he's homeless. It is interesting how life has turned out in Bossy. You should have humbled yourself.